Valdesco, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Desiree Lagura Canha, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Justin Bantulinaw Jimena, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, Sa Pag-aasawa ni Juan, Dauki Maria, isang paglalantad kultura ng paglilimbag ng kwentong bayan ng tribong Talaandig sa sitio Tagalawa, Barangay Lilingayon, Valencia City.
Hazel Ni Vasay Gupin, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Vanessa Recafrente Edulsa, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Gemma Rose Hubak Dasparilla, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Marionette Samson Lawas, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, Socio-Demographic at Lawas ng Performance ng Gurong de Medior sa Filipino.
Jinky Abalos Literatos, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, NetSpeak, isang iduwikang pagsusuri tungo sa akademikong pagganap ng mga mag-aaral sa Filipino.
Christine Joy Cañas Merculio, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, Semiotic Analysis ng Awiting Rap ni Shante Dupe bilang batayan ng pagbuo ng modyol sa Grade 8.
Maria Teresa Oliveros Ponce, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, Morphological Analysis ng Epikong Tuwaang bilang batayan sa pagbuo ng module sa Grade 8.
John Mark Velasco Ketulbo, Master of Arts in Language Education, Major in Filipino. Thesis title, Estilong Audiovisual at Tekstual ng Pag-unawa sa Maikling Kwento ng mga mag-aaral sa Malinaw High School.
Janara V. Macalisang Saguni, Master of Arts in Language Education, English.
Reka Casildo Macalibog, Master of Science and General Science. Thesis title, Students' Engagement and Academic Performance in Science in a Group-Based Flip